Hello and welcome, guys. Today I'm gonna talk about Shopify password template or password page. So, how does it look? Well, it does look something like this, and in here we can show everything we want as per our requirement. So, let's see what is in the documentation. So, with this, we can show the password message. The password message is coming from, let's see, does come from preferences, and then this is the message which we can show to the customers. Okay, next, the password form. The password form is this one. If we click on this, we have this password form in which we put in the password which is being provided from over here, and we put in over here and enter. We'll be able to log in. And then the third thing, which is email sign up form, which would be this one, in which a customer can sign up and he would be registered as a customer in Shopify backend over here. All right, so he or she'll be registered as a customer over here. So we have all of these. We can show like customer like password message with the help of this code. So what it says is like it accesses the shop object. The shop object, if you don't know, you can go to uh, the documentation and see the shop object. Will see this password message which would be visible, like shop.password message would be exactly the message which we have entered in over here. In here, and sorry, in here, and we'll be able to show it to the customers based upon if it is entered or not. All right, so yeah, that's now we can use the password form. So let's see how it's done in, because I'm not gonna do it in detail because this is totally optional. We can access so for example, this password.json uses first of all, we use this password layout. In password layout, we have this main header and section main footer. In main header, what they have done in the dv not in the Dawn theme, they have used like they have this password message, shop.password message. They are using the form which is this one. I believe this is the one which they are using. And again, you can see the form, this one, not this one but this one. Okay, we can simply use this one also if needed. We can use this one also. Okay, so this one, form, end form, we can simply paste it and save it, and this should work fine, just fine. So let's see. The formatting would be missing, but it should work this like fine, I would say. So that's okay. We can also use this. See, designing is up to us, up to you actually, who would be designing different for different customers upon the requirements. So yeah, it's all dependent upon you. Like we can actually use this whole stuff and put in the, for example, they are using email newsletter, but we can also use it over here if needed. We can use it over here as well. Refresh it and show it in here. Okay, again that would also do the same task. So we have this, and let's go to the back end. If I would be registered as a customer over here, you see I have been registered as a customer just right now. So yeah, that I believe completes the password section. I hope so you were able to figure out how it works in Shopify backend. uh, I think so it will all be complete with these sections, so these templates. Then we'll move on to a bit more coding of creating sections, how we can create sections depending upon the code we get. All right, so for that and more, and I'll see you next time.